Alberta, you can expect to see using an air conditioner at about $30 to $100 on your utility bills per month. This number can vary based on how much you use your AC and how efficient your AC is. The more efficient your AC is, the less it costs to run. And of course, low electricity rates help that too.
And that's where Direct Energy comes in. We have a variety of energy rates and features designed to suit your needs. Plus, we want to help you save on your energy bill. So stay tuned for more home maintenance and energy saving tips.